Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class. Today date is 11 December 2020. Today I start a new chapter, that is chapter number 20, and name of the chapter is Unity in Diversity. So student, let's understand why the name of the chapter is Unity in Diversity. So when we are talking about our country India, so student, what is the position of our country in the world? So the position of our country in the world is, our country is the 7th largest country in the world. India is the India is the 7th largest country in the world. So student, when we are talking about our country India, so our country India is the 7th largest country in the world. And student, it has, our country is divided into 29, it is given in the book 29 state. So please cut 29. In the place of 29 you will write the India is divided into 28 states. It has 28 states. Student, in your book it is given 29. So this is the old data. In present time our country is divided into 28 states. So in the book please cut 29, and in the place of 29 you will write 28 states. And 7, it is also not 7. In the book it is given 7. In the place of 7 you write 8. 8 union territories. So student, the data which is given in your book is the old data. Okay, so what is the new data? New data is India is divided into, India is, I underline it so that you can change in your EVS book. India has 28 states and how many union territories? It has 8 union territories. Is it clear? This is the new data which I have written on the board. Our country is the 7th largest country in the world and it has 28 states and 8 union territories. Is it clear? Now see student, now name of the chapter is Unity in Diversity. So what does it means? ठीक है, अनेकता में भी एकता है. And why there is lot of difference? See student, Unity in Diversity means अनेकता में भी एकता. मतलब बहुत ज्यादा विभिन्नता है, अलग अलग चीजें हैं, बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंसेस है, उसके बाद भी यूनिटी हमारी क्या है? स्ट्रेंथ है. ओके, यूनिटी इज आवर स्ट्रेंथ. सो लेट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंसेस. क्यों हमने बोला कि बहुत ज्यादा इंडिया में डाइवर्सिटी है? बिकॉज पीपल belonging to different religions are living in our country. What is the reason? Diversity का क्या reason है? People belonging to different religions why there is a diversity? Reason is that people belonging to different religions are living in our country. So like people belonging to Hindu religion, Muslim religions, Sikh religion, Christian. So people belonging to different religions are living in our country. That is the reason there is lot of diversity. And even if you see that here I told you that India is divided into 28 states. मैंने आपको क्या बताया बेटा? इंडिया 28 states में divided है. So the people living in different state, they speak different language. ठीक है, आप लोग ने देखा होगा कि आप अलग अलग स्टेट्स में जाते हो, स्पेशली आप आर्मी फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हो, मैक्सिमम आपको चांस मिलता है to go in different parts of the country after 2-3 years due to your father posting. So due to this you also visit or you also go to other states also. So India is divided into 20 states and people living in these states, even they are speaking different languages also. Lot of difference in their culture, उनके रहन सहन का ढंग, रीति रिवाज. ठीक है, क्योंकि हर अलग अलग रिलीजन्स के लोग हैं यहाँ. कंट्री 28 स्टेट्स में डिवाइडेड है और 8 यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं. आप बेटा डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में जाओगे, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन द कल्चर ऑफ द पीपल. जो लोगों का रहन सहन का ढंग है वो क्या अलग अलग होता है. दे आर speaking different languages. Even state wise people's languages also change. लैंग्वेज में भी बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस होती है. अलग अलग स्टेट्स में आप जाओगे तो लोग अलग अलग लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं. ठीक है. एंड रिलीजन्स को लोगे तो हर रिलीजन्स के अपने अपने रीति रिवाज हैं. हिंदूज के अपने, मुस्लिम्स के अपने, सिख रिलीजन की करोगे तो उनके अपने, एंड क्रिश्चियंस दे फॉलो देयर ओन. तो सबके रीति रिवाज जो रिलीजन्स के हैं, दैट आल्सो मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. इसीलिए बोला गया हमारी कंट्री को कि यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी, मतलब इतनी ज्यादा विभिन्नता अलग अलग होने के बाद भी हम सब क्या है, यूनाइटेड है. और यही हमारा स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है. और या तो आप कह सकते हो दिस इज आवर स्ट्रेंथ, दैट द पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू डिफरेंट रिलीजन. एंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्टेट्स, so there is a lot of difference in the culture also, and even the languages which the people speak. So that is the reason there is lot of diversity in India. But the positive point is that we always stand together. There is a lot of diversity you will see in India, but the positive point is that student, we always stand together. Now let's understand this. See, so student, when India, we do not get the freedom, at that time the rule on our country is of British rule. So I am talking about that time when before the freedom the rule in our country is of a British rule is there. So student, the people from all the religions, how we get, why I have written here British rule, because we fight against the British for our freedom. क्योंकि हम ब्रिटिश पीपल से हमने फाइट की थी. किस लिए? सो डैट आवर कंट्री गेट द फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश रूल. So at that time also there is lot of diversity in our country. And what the British think about the Indians? ब्रिटिश को क्या लगता था इंडियंस के बारे में? वो सोचते थे कि इंडिया में देयर इज लॉट ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी अमंग द पीपल ड्यू टू रिलीजन, ड्यू टू कल्चर, ड्यू टू कास्ट सिस्टम. सो उन्हें लगता था कि इंडिया में इतनी ज़्यादा डाइवर्सिटी है कि इन लोगों को आपस में बहुत आसानी से डिवाइड किया जा सकता है, या आप इन अदर सेंस यू कैन से कि आसानी से इन लोगों को आपस में लड़ा सकते हैं. ऐसा ब्रिटिश पीपल्स को लगता था. क्योंकि बिफोर द फ्रीडम आल्सो देयर इज, ऐसा नहीं है कि फ्रीडम के बाद इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा डाइवर्सिटी आ गई, नहीं. बिफोर द फ्रीडम आल्सो people belonging to different religions and they are living in different region of the country के अलग अलग पार्ट्स में रहते थे. और जैसा कि मैंने आप लोग को अभी जस्ट बताया कि अब जब इंडिया क्या है, गेट द फ्रीडम, आफ्टर द फ्रीडम अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होल कंट्री इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 28 स्टेट्स। अगर आप स्टेट को कंसीडर करोगे और स्टेट में रहने वाले लोग, उनके रहन सहन का ढंग, उनके कल्चर भी आपस में मेल नहीं खाते हैं। They are living people belonging to different cultures. Even when the states are changed, when you are moving from one state to another state, the language which the people speak, that also changes, that also change. So these things are present before the freedom also. That is the reason British people think that very easily they can divide the people according to religion, caste system and different cultures and different languages. उन्हें ऐसा लगता था कि इनमें रिलीजन्स इनकी अलग अलग है, इनके रहन सहन के ढंग, कल्चर अलग है, ठीक है, कास्ट सिस्टम भी है, और इवन दे आर स्पीकिंग डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री। तो उन्हें लगता था कि इनको ईजिली आपस में डिवाइड किया जा सकता है, आपस में ही लड़वा सकते हैं बहुत आसानी से। बट इन द एंड व्हाट हैपेंस स्टूडेंट, इन द एंड व्हाट हैपेंस, the people from all the region means I am talking about all parts of the country. So when we are fighting against the British rule for our freedom, then people from all the regions, अलग अलग पार्ट, कंट्री के अलग अलग पार्ट से, whether it is from north जम्मू कश्मीर हो, या गुजरात हो, या वेस्ट बंगाल हो, या यूपी हो, या बिहार हो, फ्रॉम एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द, फ्रॉम एवरी रीजन, पीपल स्टैंड टुगेदर अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश पीपल, एंड दैट इज द रीजन पीपल शो देयर यूनिटी. They show this thing to the British people that whether there is lot of diversity, but for the freedom of our country they all stand together. सब एक संग स्टैंड हुए थे. Then only we get the freedom from the British rule on 15th August 1947. ऐसा नहीं है कि इतना डिफरेंसेस होने के बाद भी people from all region means all part of the country, they come in the fight of the, or you can say in the struggle of the freedom, and at that time they all stand together, and due to this our country get the freedom from the British rule on 15th August 1947, and every year this is a very important date of the past. So every year on 15th August 1947 we celebrate this as our national festival, that is Independence Day. Is it clear? Now I hope all of you are able to understand unity in diversity, what does it mean. मतलब इतनी विभिन्नता, अलग अलग होने के बावजूद भी हम सब क्या है, we always stand together. Is it clear? So student, एक रिकैप्चुलेशन करा देते हैं. चैप्टर मैंने स्टार्ट कैसे किया था आप लोग को. व्हाट इज द, आवर कंट्री इज द 7th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 28 states, 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, 28 states and 8 union territories. Now see, In all the state student, there is a chief minister. And how we elect the chief minister? This is done by the at the time of election by the voting method. Every citizen of India whose age is 18 or above 18, they can give the vote at the time of the election. So 28 state, it means all the state have their leader, and that head of the state is known as not head, legislative assembly. That head of the state legislative assembly is known as chief minister. जैसे आप लोग यूपी में रहते हो तो हु इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ यूपी? योगी आदित्यनाथ is the chief minister of the UP. And see, there are 8 union territories also. So who is the head of this? President is the head of your union territories. And due to some reason, we kept these area into union territories. Okay. Now, what is the capital of our country? What is the capital of our country, students? Delhi is the capital of our country. So, what is the capital of our country, student? Delhi is the capital of our country. Okay. Now, student, there are few things that bind this beautiful country together. So, what does it means? Bind मतलब एक दूसरे को आपस में जोड़ के रखा है. ठीक है, एक दूसरे को आपस में क्या करके रखा है? जोड़ के रखा है. So, what are these? These are the national symbols. What are these? Which bind the our beautiful country, that is India. These are national symbols. These are national symbols, and these national symbol stands for our country. These national symbol stands for our country. So, student, whenever you see these symbols, we know that they represent India. ठीक है, जैसे आप देखते होंगे every country, all the countries in the world, they all have their flags. सारी कंट्रीज के अलग अलग फ्लैग्स होते हैं बेटा, होते हैं ना, आपने देखा होगा. इसी तरह नेशनल सिंबल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दे स्टैंड्स फॉर आवर कंट्री. एंड व्हेनेवर हम इन नेशनल सिंबल्स को व्हेनेवर वी सी, सो व्हाट डज इट इंडिकेट? These symbols, national symbols, represent our country, that is India. So what are our national symbols? National symbols, the national symbol of our country are the national flag. Okay, national flag, the national anthem so what are these symbols? Our national flag. So we always honor, or you can say we always respect our national flag. And the national anthem, you are studying in the school, so I know in the morning assembly we all state when we sing the national anthem of our country, and we daily sing national anthem at the time of assembly in the school. So student, and another is the national emblem are our main symbols. So on the next page, one by one complete explanation of all these are given, then we will discuss this. Okay, now after that it is given beside this, देखो 3 चीजें हमने डिस्कस कर ली, नेशनल फ्लैग है, नेशनल एंथम है, नेशनल एम्बलम है. ओके, एंड बिसाइड दिस वी हैव ए नेशनल एनिमल आल्सो, national animal of our country, national tree of our country, national flower of our country, or national bird of our country, national river of our country. So for example, national flower, national flower. So student, what is the national flower of our country? That is Indian lotus. Next, national fruit. So student, national fruit, which fruit is known as the national fruit of our country? That is mango. National animal, national animal, national animal of our country is tiger. Then national river, national river, national river of our country is Ganga. So student, one time I repeat it, national flower of our country is lotus. National flower of our country is lotus. Then national fruit of our country is mango. Mango is the national fruit of our country. Next, national animal. So the national animal of our country is tiger. Tiger is the national animal of our country. Then what is the national river of our country? The national river of our country is Ganga. and you in our city Varanasi, what was the name of the river which flow from Varanasi? That is Ganga. Okay, thank you student.